y'all, what's up? Welcome back to another Vlogmas. If you are new here, I go by the Fashion Doll. If you're not new, welcome back. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Y'all, subscribe. It's free.
Yourself. A merry little Christmas night.
It's December the 22nd. 4 days until Christmas. Are you guys excited for Christmas? I'm excited for my kids, but especially the little one. She's very excited about Christmas. Christmas is like, I don't get as excited as I used to. So, you know, when you're an adult, shit is different. So, yeah, so today, what am I gonna do today? So today I plan on going to get my eyebrows done. Y'all see this? Eyebrows are a mess. I haven't had my eyebrows done since my birthday, so it's been over a month now. And then I got, oh my god, I have so many moles on my face. They probably look like dark spots, y'all, but they are moles. I have mole. Holy moly, I got so many moles everywhere, y'all. So I see one poking out, so I need to get some of my moles removed. I'm gonna make an appointment with my dermatologist and let's see if I can get some of these moles removed. But anyway, so yeah, basically I probably go get my eyebrows done. Oh yeah, candle, y'all. So my last vlog I was telling y'all about the whipped coffee candle. So I burned it for a couple of hours. You cannot smell it. So I am going to return this candle and I'm gonna get something else. It was a no, so don't buy it. Or sometimes I notice it depends on which candle you get, because I could possibly get this one over and it might burn differently. But I think I'm just gonna try something else instead. I'm thinking about that. What is it called? 1,000 something? I don't know. 1,000 wishes. Is that it? I don't think I ever had the fragrance or the candle, but I smelled it recently. I think my mom had got me like some lotion and it smells pretty good, so I wouldn't mind having that in the candle. So I'll probably do an exchange at BBW. And yeah, my eyebrows. So if I do go out, we gonna ride along, y'all. So I'm gonna see y'all in a second. Hey y'all, what's up? Good afternoon. It's December the 23rd. I am getting ready to go get my brows done, y'all. I told y'all I've been procrastinating. I said I was gonna do it the other day, but I didn't. So I'm just ironing my clothes right now. Nothing major. Putting on something super simple today, which y'all probably saw this hoodie before. My favorite hoodie from H&M. Then I'm probably gonna throw on some little cream leggings from Pretty Little Thing, and then just my brown puff jacket.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold right. Don't hold no right.
My clothes are ironed. I'm gonna wear my Marc Jacob Perfect perfume today. I think I'm gonna vacuum before I go because I got OCD. I need one of them little vacuums that you know, that vacuum itself, the little robot, because literally I vacuum about 6 times a day because I like seeing lines in the carpet, and if I don't see lines, like, it irritates my soul. So look at this, y'all. My makeup drawer is crazy, but I know what's in here. Bam, this is the one. This is what I want to wear. Morphe, what is this called? Shimmer. So I'm put this on. So I'm gonna see y'all when I'm dressed in the car.
That can't look me in the eyes. I despise when I see you. Better put that fucking pride to the side. Many times I survive.
Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Okay, y'all. So know it's the holiday season, but I wanted to say also, like, reach out to your loved ones that you cool with, not the ones you ain't cool with. Because you know we all got some relatives that can be assholes, but you know what I'm saying, check on somebody, check on your neighbors, say a prayer for somebody, send a card, you know, just show your kindness through the holidays and throughout the fucking year, y'all, every day, all day. But yeah, you never know what a person is going through, y'all, for real. People hide behind a mask and they can be joyful every day, and you will never know what that person is going through. So just reach out, tell somebody you love them, you thankful for them. I know it's tough for certain people around the holidays that may have lost a loved one as well. I'm praying for you, and yeah, I know it's a tough time, but you know, God don't put you through nothing you can't handle. So I decided I was gonna get my nails done first, but I decided to go get my oh, I got some hair on my lips. I don't want to touch it with my hands, but yeah, I decided to go get my eyebrows done first, so that's what I'm about to do. Then I'm just gonna go get a fill-in. I think I want like I think I want brown tips, but like 2 different shades of brown or 3 different shades of browns on my nails. So I'm gonna see y'all, I guess, after I get my brows done. Y'all, I just remembered something. I forgot that candle. So I was supposed to take it back to Bath and Body Works, but it don't even matter because it's like, what, 2 days before Christmas? Probably a line outside of Bath and Body Works right now. Just gonna go another day. Yeah, so let me hurry up and go get these brows done because this is looking a little crazy in there.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, died.
Got my eyebrows done, they look really good, y'all, really good. And baby, check out Miss Brown in the PT Cruiser. I don't know what she do. Oh, she do the chips, the toffee chip. Oh yeah, I actually tried one of her chips. She do like little chocolate treats and stuff. And she located in the Mazal. All right, y'all, let me go head to the nail shop now. Me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Cause I literally got me, myself, and I. Y'all know me, I'm the girl from the D, straight clean, jumping off the scene. Hey, I'll be back. I just did a little hookah, but I didn't eat anything, and I'm starving, y'all, starving. Like, I haven't had breakfast, lunch, a snack in between, nothing. So I'm about to go home and make an omelet, and I'm gonna have me probably a drink later. I will smoke more smoke more hookah, but I think I had enough today, and that shit was good. That flavor was so good. All right, y'all, so I want to show y'all my nails. I'll probably put a picture on the side where I got the idea from, but hands probably a little crusty too. But it's like okay, yeah, so it's like a couple of shades of nude, different shades of nude, and then this nail is supposed to be like a little cow nail. I don't know, look like little hearts or whatever. Like I said, I'll show y'all the picture, but overall I do like them. They cute. I just need some lotion on my ashy hands, but I do like them. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve. Yeah, so I'm just excited for my little one. She's so excited, y'all. But
I'm excited.
Very. Hey y'all, I want to show y'all some boots I got. I want y'all opinion, and I already know which ones I'm gonna keep, so I'm gonna let y'all know afterwards, but I still want y'all opinion. I ordered 2 pairs of boots. I have a dinner coming up, so I needed a black heel. It's been a struggle trying to find some black thigh boots, black booties or whatever, but anyway, so I ordered these, and they are called Journey Collection footwear. I discovered these shoes on Kohl's website, y'all. I think they were like originally $60. Kohl's had a sale. I think I got them down to about, let me tell y'all right now. So the shoes were, let me turn over here. All right, matter of fact, let me sit y'all down because I don't know what's going on. All right, so the shoes were originally $59.99. No, I'm sorry, scratch that. These shoes were originally $9.99, so they were almost $100. They were on sale at Kohl's for $59.99, right? So I had $10 in Kohl's cash. They had 40% off. They also was doing free shipping over $25. Y'all, I paid, the boots were originally $100. I paid $31.79 for these boots with tax, y'all. So, deal, y'all. Deal, deal, deal. So let me show y'all the boot, and that's the Journey Collection. They have their size range from, okay, so their shoe size start at a 8 up to a 12. I don't know if they had sizes above 8 and they out of stock, but it just shows size 8, 8.5, and then it goes down to 12. Y'all know I had to get a 12 because they are pointy toe and I need that extra room. They okay. I would definitely need a thin sock with these, or like a thin what you call it, knee highs we used to wear, like a thin knee high or a thin like footless sock or whatever you call that shit. So anyway, let me show y'all what it looked like. My legs hairy, so don't judge. Room look a mess. Okay, so these are so cute. They pointy toe, they scrunch in the front. I don't know if you can see. The heel is a 4-inch. I usually try not to go over a 3-inch heel anymore because y'all already know I'm tall, but I ain't got no problem wearing no high heels, but I'm not young like I used to be, so I don't do the high heel. But these are a 4-inch heel, so they are still good, pointy toe, and like I said, $30, y'all. Oh, my legs ashy, y'all. But $30, right? So cute. So should I keep these, or I'm gonna show you these. These are like a almond shape. They scrunch in the front. They're kind of similar, except like I said, almond shape, and the zipper on the side. And this one has a chunky heel. I love a chunky heel because I feel like it's more comfortable, but as you can see, it's loose. We got room, and yeah, I don't know. These, I like these better. Which ones do you like, and which one would you keep? So these were from DSW. This is the box right here. Size 12 in these, and this is by the brand Kelly and Katie. So let me tell y'all how much I paid for. I think I paid like $60 for these, y'all. $31 versus $60. Okay, y'all, so guess which pair of shoes I'm gonna keep, and then you will see them in the upcoming what I got for Christmas video or whatever, or vlog, however I'm gonna do it. All right, y'all, so I'm done doing my cleaning. I have one more gift to wrap later. So I'm about to close out this vlog, and I'll probably pick up tomorrow on Christmas. If I don't, I just want to wish y'all all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell button so every time I upload a video, you will get notified. I will see you guys